Hi everyone! Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest followers glitch. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest followers glitch, you should just go to settings. After that we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this list, you will search about this window of Pinterest here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you click OK. Then you will enter the storage. Here in this page we click clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.